Start video. Hi everyone, Owen Fox here. New Age Sage Clown Transformer at your fingertips. And in this video I want to share what I've been up to lately with my diet. Today I'm just skin brushing, thought I'd like roll a little video. But yeah, like I've been on and off. Lately I want to tell you what I've been up to. Like I've been on and off fruitarianism and detoxing and been getting at like mucoid plaque. I've been doing like GI tract cleansing powders. I've been doing some days of just doing like one day just doing like pure liquids only, mostly grape juice and a little bit of apple cider vinegar added as a dissolver. Other days I've been doing like 2/3 juice or half juice, and then the rest just for two and a half other days I just do that with just like a bit of some mangoes and durian. So pretty much like, you know, all fruit. Well, not pretty much, but exactly 100% all fruit eaten and like fruit and juices. When I did the first day of just doing juices, I also included like 2 chai lattes that are vegan, and also some like veggie broth, which is just like some vegetables boiled up, or else with some vegan seasoning powder. So skin brushing is great for your lymphatic system, removes the blood and lymph. It's very good for like exfoliating skin and helping the pores to breathe. It's yeah, skin brushing is phenomenal for our health, to be honest. Yeah, I love exercising these days. Yeah, so basically speaking, I used to find it a real struggle, like when I try and do a day or two, a few days of fruits or even juice, I'd get like crazy cravings, especially on the juice. When I was doing the master fast system, for example, very like detoxing. And chemicals are stirred up, and toxins and acids and, you know, stuff like that. Blocked matter, old stuff, like just from the acidic diet, like growing up, like some processed foods and factory farm meat and dairy, etc. Just, yeah, sometimes we can get cravings. So I've been learning lately that like our gut biome and our whole basically bacterial system, which could be up to 200 trillion like non-human cells in their body, possibly, if that's true, takes time to adapt. And as you're cleansing and changing your diet, they're like screaming for food, the old stuff, so that's why you get cravings. So I guess over time I found it like much easier to deal with the cravings. Actually, not to be honest, not to deal with them, but just not to have them. I don't really have them as much anymore. So much easier to be just doing fruits. So I guess overall I've just been expanding my diet to a more healthy, natural one. Like I take herbs and supplement, like herbs and some superfoods. Like I have my own herb store, of course, as you know, higherselfherbs.com. Links below, lovely herbs there. And some of my favourites are like my Rejuvenate formula, my Brain and Nerve formula, Ho Shou Wu, Cordyceps, the medicinal mushroom, super mushroom formula. Amazing for like so many different things: liver, immune system, kidney system, your adrenals, your hormones. I'll also love pine pollen amazingly well too. But so I take these things and supplement like in apple juice or grape juice. But then when I eat, I'm generally like probably around 1/3 of my diet, like 1/3 of the month is probably in around fruits, approximately days wise. So for every 30 days in the month, I probably do around 10 days just fruits. Maybe we'll say 12. We'll just say 10, whatever. And then a few days, I'm doing more and more days of just juicing, and then I'm getting a mucoid plaque with my GI, my cleansing powder. I use activated charcoal, bentonite clay, psyllium husk, what else? A bit of apple pectin. Yeah. And then I go back to cooked veganism. So, like, cause I do sometimes, like, I don't eat enough food, or I just get cravings or something. I'm just being honest with you. Like, so a fair bit of my diet is actually cooked vegan food, but not really that much. It's like less than a third, easily less than a third of the month. Like maybe like, let's say 1/5 of my days of the month, or 1/4 to 1/5 is probably some cooked vegan. But then the rest of the days is like kind of just mostly just fruits anyway. So I'm not perfect, so to speak, if you know what I mean. But I'm perfectly where I am. I'm perfectly imperfect. We're all perfectly the way we are, you know. And we're all learning and growing and changing, so it's all good. And I also love essential oils. This is a really like nice brand. Tisserand. This is eucalyptus. So it's essential not to be too dogmatic or self-judgmental. It's important to be accepting and loving yourself unconditionally and others the way they are, and have love and compassion and acceptance to where they are at this moment, which is changing going forward also. And I'll put up a video link here about that video, so about me eating some lovely cooked vegan pizza when I broke my 5 days of fruitarian. I also do around an enema or 2 a day sometimes when I'm detoxing. Usually do maybe an enema a day anyway. So everyone have a lovely day, lots of love. Life's short, it's meant to be enjoyed. Have fun. Yeah, baby. Don't be like, too strict. Be flexible. Learn and grow. Forgive yourself for not knowing what you didn't know back then in the mistakes that you or others made. We're spiritual beings having a human experience. Life is meant to be fun. Life is meant to be a holiday. Love, live, laugh. Laugh a lot, everyone. Play and have fun. Be free. There's as much freedom you can feel vibrationally and unconditional love you can feel vibrationally better. Lots of love, everyone. I'm not always happy and joyful like this, but I try and keep getting back there when I notice my emotions are different and off. So then I try and rest, balance my body and my life. Think correctly is most important. Okay, take care, everyone. Lots of love. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel welcome to leave them below. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the bell button and subscribe for more videos on holistic living and body, mind, spirit, on health, diet, and the holistic spiritual aspect too. And please do like and share this video if you've liked and share, for others to enjoy also and to learn and benefit. Thanks. See ya.